Hello everyone, this is a new video in my channel. Today we are going to prepare easy potato meal. So let's start. Firstly, we have potato, parsley, onion. Here we have sauce tomato, olive, 2 eggs, 1 big spoon of butter, 2 big spoons of oil. Here we have olive oil, garlic and chili pepper. Here we have red pepper and black pepper and orange pepper and salt. Now we let it for 5 minutes. Finally, this is our result. It's delicious and in the same time economical. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to share and subscribe. See you next time.